Dear students, welcome back. Now we are going to see the intercostal space and its boundaries. Intercostal space is the space between two ribs and its corresponding costal cartilages. And its corresponding costal cartilages is called as intercostal space. Intercostal space is the space between the two ribs and their corresponding cartilages is called as intercostal space. So there are 9 intercostal spaces anteriorly. So this is the anterior view. So we are having the first rib, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh, eighth and ninth. Anteriorly we are having 9 intercostal spaces, and because the 11th and 12th ribs are floating and it is open in front. Okay, we are having 12 pairs of ribs, but anteriorly we are having 9 intercostal spaces. The remaining, the 11th and 12th ribs are floating. They are open in the anterior side. Posteriorly, we are having 11 intercostal spaces. Posteriorly, 11 intercostal spaces on each side. So, example, this is the left side and that one right side. So, on both the sides, we are having 11 pairs of intercostal spaces on each side. And among these intercostal spaces, the fourth one, fifth one, and the sixth intercostal spaces are called as typical intercostal space. They are called as typical intercostal space because the typical intercostal nerve, so the typical intercostal nerve supplies these 3 intercostal spaces. So which are only nerves which supply the thoracic region. Okay, now coming to the boundaries of the intercostal spaces. So here the boundaries means here you can see from here to here. So from the posterior aspect, so and this, yes, and all this becomes the boundaries. Okay, so it is having 4 boundaries. One is the superior boundary, inferior boundary, anterior boundary, and the posterior boundary. So the sharp lower border of the upper rib, the sharp lower border of the upper rib forms the superior border. Here you can see this is the upper rib. The sharp lower border of the upper rib forms the superior border, and the blunt upper border of the lower rib, blunt upper border of the lower rib forms the inferior border. Anterior border is formed by lateral border of the sternum. Anterior border is formed by lateral border of the sternum between the costal notches, and posterior border is formed by the corresponding thoracic vertebrae. Okay, these are the boundaries of intercostal space. So superiorly it is formed by the sharp lower border of the upper lip, and inferior border is formed by the blunt upper border of the lower rib. Anterior border is formed by the lateral border of the sternum between the costal cartilages, and posterior border is formed by the corresponding thoracic vertebrae. Okay, now coming to the contents of the intercostal space. So what are the structures which are present in between these two ribs? That means inside the intercostal space. In the intercostal space, what are the contents present? So the intercostal space includes the muscles, vessels, and nerves. So the muscles are external intercostal muscle, internal intercostal muscle, and transverse thoracic muscle. So this is the sequence. So from outwards to inwards, external intercostal muscle, and then the internal intercostal and deeply placed transverse thoracic muscle. And coming to the vessels, so vessels includes veins and arteries. So it includes intercostal veins and intercostal arteries. Intercostal veins and intercostal arteries. So in the intercostal space, proximally vein is present, and next to the vein an artery is present. After that, nerve is present. So that is the sequence from above downwards. These vessels and nerves are placed. These vessels and nerves are placed only at the superior aspect of the intercostal space. Superior aspect of the intercostal space. So the vessels are intercostal vein, intercostal artery, and nerve is one pair of corresponding spinal nerve. One pair of corresponding spinal nerve on both the sides. So one pair of corresponding spinal nerve. So these are the contents of intercostal space. So intercostal space is the space between the two ribs and their corresponding cartilages is called as intercostal space, and we are having 9 intercostal spaces anteriorly, and posteriorly we are having 11 intercostal spaces. Among all these intercostal spaces, 4th, 5th and 6th intercostal spaces are called as typical intercostal space because they are supplied by the typical intercostal nerves, which are only supplying to the thoracic region. And the boundaries, we are having 4 boundaries. One is the superior boundary, inferior boundary, anterior and posterior boundary. And the contents present in the intercostal spaces are the muscles, vessels, and nerves. Okay, this is about the intercostal space and its boundaries. In the next video, we are going to see the intercostal muscles. Thank you.